Kindle Comic Converter is experimenting with restoring Windows 7 and Windows 8 support. So what did I have to do to try to support it? First I had to downgrade PySide 6 to the last compatible Windows 7 version. That was actually 6.1.3, but I put 6.0 here while I was experimenting. And then I also had to downgrade the Python version to Python 3.8 from 3.11. 3.11 is a lot faster, but 3.8 is the last one that supported Windows 7, so I had to go all the way to 3.8. And then I had to change the requirements to make sure everything could still install on Python 3.8. So yeah, the biggest one was NumPy. This was the last version that worked with Windows 7, NumPy 1.23, and yeah. And then you just download the files onto your Windows 7 machine, and then you run it. And then once you run it and compile it, I'll leave a link to the build in the description. But all you need to do is wait a little bit for it to open, and boom, it's like that. Unfortunately, the app will crash if you try to do things. And the error message, I don't really understand it, but I have a feeling it's because I'm using a virtual machine of Windows 7, so it might work on an actual Windows 7 machine. So if you're able to try and test, please feel free. If you can't download it in Chrome, please try using Edge and then transferring the file manually or something. But yeah, this is just a brief experiment to see if I can bring back Windows 7 support to Kindle Comic Converter. A lot of the work was already done because I brought back support for macOS 10.14 Mojave, so it wasn't that much work on top of that. But yeah, if you like this sort of content, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.